Day 1, Chapter 1. So in Chapter 1, we are going to discuss about how to use field series, how to use custom setting techniques, and how to apply various tips and tricks about MS Excel. Next, we will discuss about concept of flash fill. Flash fill is a new feature of MS Excel 2016 version. In 2016 version, Microsoft introduced this feature. This option is available under Home. We can click on the fill, and under fill, this is my flash fill, right? So how to use flash fill magic I want to show you. So see here, this is my product code, right? So in product code, I want to populate only, I want to display only middle 3 digit, only this one, right? We can use various technique. We can use mid function, left function, right function, so many other formulas available in MS Excel, and with help of that formula we can populate this middle 3 digit. But if you don't want to use any formula, without any formula, I want to show you how to use this magic. So guys, simple, type 987 and press enter, right? Now we can use very simple shortcut key. We can use Control and E together, and you can see quick, I got all the digit middle digit automatically, right? If you want to use menu command, what we can do, we can select, click on the field and go to the flash fill. This option is available here, and automatically this flash fill option populate all the middle digit. Once again, I want to show another example. Suppose this is my days, and here I want first 2 digit. So what we can do, we can type simple MO, we can select this cell, and we can use Control E, and now see the magic, right? You can click on the address. So this is my separate sheet. Here I want country, so we can simple, and now look at this data. Just I want to explain a little bit about data. This is I receive address. In the address is not in proper segment, proper order, right? So I want to display a state in separate column, zip code in separate column, country in another column, and address part means house number, street, and the town here, right? But if I'm using text to column, what will happen? Just look at this. So I'll go to the data and text to column. If I'm using delimited, next, and if I'm using a space, then my data will appear like this, and the data is not as per my expectation, right? So now I want to just undo. Again I will go here. So I want address here, a state here, zip code here, and the country here. So we can use flash fill command. So once again I will select this one, copy, and then paste here, just right. We can simple copy this one, copy. Now I will go here and paste, right? After paste, we can press Control E, and yes, quick, I got this one. Now again I'll just go here, copy, only copy the zip code. You can paste your zip code here, right? And now press Control E. Okay, now I want to copy FL, which is my Florida. Yes, the next one is this one. You can use 1 or 2 for better prediction. So yes, we can select this one, or if you want, just select this one, copy. You can just paste here. Now I will select this and Control E, right? Now just select this one, only house number, street code, etc. Just paste here, and now I want to again populate this one. So Control E, and I'm getting all the address, state, zip code, and country in different columns. So really this is a very, very good feature of MS Excel. This is the magic of MS Excel, guys. Thank you. In this chapter we will discuss about custom formatting. In custom formatting, first of all we will discuss about how to customize date and then how to customize numbers. So you can look at the column number A. In the column number A, 10th April, 11th April, 12th April, 13th April. So 10th April is basically its customized column. Whenever I move cursor here we have 10th 10/04 2020, right? But in the column I can display only date and month. So how to display only the date and month? Sometime you want to display only month and year. So how do this? Let's start. We can simply select this column. We can right click here, go to the format cell, and in the format cell, suppose your date is written like this. Okay, so date is written like this. Now I want to display only the month and date part. So select first. After selection we can click on the format cell. This is my format cell. In format cell we can click on the custom, right? So in custom what we can do, we can simple type hash sign. Yes, no, we can click on the custom. In custom what we can do, we can type first dd, then hyphen, then we can type mm. So if you want to display only the date and month, you can just type, if you want to display like April or May, type month 3 character and then click on the OK. Now this, right? Now next, suppose this is day wise production. Okay, this is my day wise production of any products. So suppose in data, in numeric value, I want to display metric ton after this numeric value. So see, the metric ton is already written, empty is written after the number, right? But whenever I move my cursor on the formula bar, in the formula bar you can notice one thing. See here, only the 4000 I can display, right? So how do this one? Right click, format cell. In the format cell, just number, right? So this is my numeric value, right? And if you are using manual technique, if you are writing like this empty, what will happen? Now see, this is no longer numeric value. Now the 100 empty, this cell value become the text. Okay, and if you are using any formula like suppose this plus this is my numeric value. By default alignment is right side and this is my text value. So whenever I will apply any formula, I will get error message, right? So this kind of error message I got here. So I want to solve this problem, right? So simple, we can, how to customize this, how to display empty after this numeric value. Sometime you want to display kg after the numeric value, or lbs after the numeric value, or miles after the numeric value. How do this? Just select this one, right click here, go to the format cell. In format cell we can click on the again custom, right? So custom is a very useful section. With help of this section we can customize our data, right? So how to customize this one? Here we can type hash. So guys, hash represent what? Hash represent your numeric value, right? And then we can press space. I want to display this empty metric ton after the number. So please first type hash, then I want a space, then we can use double quotes and then empty. Okay, right? Double quotes start, then empty, double quotes close, and finally we can click on the OK. Now you can see this numeric value is now customized. So empty is added after the numeric value, right? Similarly, I want to show you here, same thing I use here. Suppose this is my number, but I want to display miles after this numeric value. So select this data, right click here, go to the format cell, and we can use same technique, custom. And in custom we can type first hash, then a space, then double quotes, and then miles, miles, right? And here you can see, here in the preview you can see how your text will appear, right? and you can just click on the OK. Right now, next, in the next section, I want to show you how to customize this code. Sometime in Excel, when we type like 098, so when we type like this, see, you can just go here and type 098. So 0 will not appear by default, will not get 0 before number, it will not display automatically. But sometime, suppose you are working in Excel, and suppose let's just take an example of SAC code, so, or a state code, or maybe any type of code where you want to display numeric where you want to display this 0 before the number. So just select this one, right click, and then just say like this, this is my data. Okay, now right click, format cell, and let's say general, this is my data. Okay, so just select this one, right click here, you can go to the format cell. In format cell, just go to the type section and type 4 times 0. So 4 times 0 means what will happen? 4 times 0 means if your SAC code is 4 digit and you want 2 digit before number, so just type 0012, 0013. So 0 will automatically appear in the leading 0 will appear automatically here, right? So okay, now next we have a large number, right? See, I place my cursor here and you can notice here, actually the value is 12 lakhs, right? But in the column I'm able to display 1.2 million. So how to display a large data in short form? How to display like this? So I'm going back here, right click, go to the format cell and just say number, right? This is my actual data. Now I want to convert the data large number in million format. So we can simple right click here, format cell, go to the custom. In custom we can use same thing. I'll click on the type section and here I will type hash sign, right? And then again dot, again hash 0, and I will type 2 time comma, right? 2 time comma, and just put a space, then double quotes MILLION million, double quotes close. So I use this code, right? Hash, then comma, again hash, then 0, then double time 2 time comma, and then million, right? Double million is written double quotes. And next finally I'll click on the OK button, and we are able to display million after the numeric value, and the actual value is this. You can just select the actual value is this, but I can appear my data like this one. Similarly, the actual value is 18,500, but you want to display like this. So what we can do, we can use right click here, I'll go here, I'll select data like this. Now this is my actual value. Right click here, click on the format cell. In format cell I'll click on the custom, and I want to convert in 1000 format. So hash, right, then dot hash 0, then 2 time comma or 1 time comma, yes, 1 time comma because I want only 1000, and double quotes and 1000, right, and double quotes close. So I use this code, right? Hash comma hash 0 comma and 1000 is written in double quotes. And finally I'll click on the OK button. If you want a space, see here, no space available here, so I want a space. I'll click on this, I'll simple type, I'll place my cursor here and put a space, and your data will appear like this, right? So guys, this is a way to display your data in desired format, and this is overall about your custom formatting. Okay, we can use so many type of formatting, we can customize as per our requirement.